Because when you don't know how to groom, you can so boring to waiting. Do you need to understand about the Channa Maru? You need to understand because this is different with another kind of Channa. The Maru also is the big kind of Channa. It's not the small or medium. And for the big kind of Channa, you need to know the color is can be coming out when, and also the years is must be old enough. If the fish is not old enough, you cannot be do anything. You only can be do the minor progress. The minor progress like make it the eyes is red, make it the bar is thick. Sometimes there's a soft color that is coming out. Yes, you can be do that. But for the flower, yeah, even the small size, the quality Maru, this already have the flower in the body. But on the market, you can get it cheap Maru. Yeah, a lot of people selling the Maru is very cheap. Yeah, but the problem is not the price. That's how you groom the Maru and how you pick the quality kind. I want my Maru is become the big size, but the problem, big size is not warranty your Channa Maru is can be have color, because the color is when coming out when the Maru is already old enough. Yeah, for all kind of Maru, yeah, his need a treatment also for the water, because when you wrong treatment the water, your Maru is only not showing the color, but the body can be look dirty. It's like, yeah, just like a dirty Maru lah. Yeah, you can be understand about when the body is white but only black, but the black is not thick, only soft black only. That's the problem for the Channa Maru. Someone asking also about how I can be groom my Maru when already big. Yeah, still can be, but the point you need to doing a diet. Okay, in the Maru is so important to diet. You no need to worry about the Channa Maru, because sometimes the Channa Maru, the size only 15 centimeter to 20 centimeter only. Still small, the size, but the color already colorful and the flower already coming out. A lot of competition keeper is doing that, because only the small old Maru is can be become beautiful. And you have the big Maru, but the color is not yet beautiful. It's okay, just keep it. Okay, just keep it. And also when the years old already enough, the color is can be natural coming out. Yeah, that's why here I want to share also some tips, yeah, how to make it the kind of the Channa Maru, yeah, how you can be doing a minor treatment like on the fin, and also the marking in the body is can be coming out. Okay, the first I need to telling you for the water, don't too much change the water if you want to groom the Maru, because for the Maru is need old enough water, but different, yeah, old enough water and also dirty water is the different. For the Maru, I'm only feeding on 3 days one time. Yeah, for 3 days one time I'm feeding that fish. Okay, what I using a pellet. For another 3 days, yeah, I give it the live food. Yeah, I doing that every 3 days. I mix pellet and live food. Okay, for the live food, I using a shrimp, small fish, and also the super worm. Sometimes I buy cricket also, because that's a good for the Maru bar, and also the flower is coming out. Okay, for the water quality, I using a talisay. Yeah, talisay or katapang leaf. Yeah, you can be use it. I make it the black water. Why? Because Maru from the nature is the black water fish and also warm water. Okay, how about light? Why I'm using light? Yeah, because I'm grooming this kind of Maru. I'm using indoor. After that, I can close the light, or sometimes 2 days one time I using the light. How I can groom the red eyes for the Maru? Yeah, the Maru, if you want to get the red eyes, you can using the spectrum light and choose the red spectrum. Yeah, just only need 1 week. Yeah, you can see the progress of the eye. Yeah, later I can show you on the video when I using the red spectrum light. That's good also for the body, and also the black marking is coming out using the spectrum light. If you using only the natural light, yeah, this can be also, but you need to make it the water is more dark, because I don't know also, but I get it these tips from the keeper also in Indonesia about how I can groom my Maru. Yeah, you can try, yeah, and then you can update and also comment. But that's what I know, yeah, how to make it the Maru is more beautiful. But if you still have the small Maru, please patient and waiting the time your maru can be show the color and also the marking, because when you want to make it the maru is beautiful fast, you cannot be skip anything. Yeah, because sometimes even you buy the expensive pellet also, yeah, or you buy the expensive food to the maru, if this can be impact only the minor things. And also the important is a diet, and also how you make it your maru small but old. That can be so beautiful fish, and you don't need to have the big tank to keeping your maru, because all maru I keeping only at the 20 gallons tank. In the 20-gallon tank is good enough for 5 to 7 years. The maru is only 20 to 25 centimeter only. No worry. This maru kind is can be become small size. Yeah, if you don't want to make it big. If you have the big aquarium and also you like the big size of the fish, grow it. The maru is become big, because maru is can be so big, around the 70 centimeter to 80 centimeter. This can be grow so big. Okay. Depend how you like that kind of maru, but I like the maru is a slim body, right, and also not so big, but the colorful and also aggressive enough. Then how you make it the aggressive the maru? Yeah, I'm already make it also the video for you before how to make it your channa is aggressive. Okay, put on comment if you have a question. Yeah, maybe I can answer your question using this video. Yeah, I can answer it. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of video. See you. Bye bye.